this shit over with.
Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to another episode of Quarantine Baking with Mark and James.
Why is your name first?
My name is always first. When you're a star, like myself, like a celebrity cake designer like myself.
Insert crickets. Don't mind me, I'm just sipping some tea.
Spilling it too, apparently. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic quarantine videos every single week. This week I was inspired by one of my friends' cooking blog. His name is Byron and he runs the blog Lord Byron's Kitchen.
Lord Byron.
Lord Byron. I will definitely link his website in the description below. Make sure to go check it out. He is incredible. He has some amazing recipes. And his photography is like on point. Like really, really nice photography. So make sure to go check out his blog and his recipes. He has some really cool, fun stuff. This week we wanted to make 2 easy, fun desserts for the kids. Because we're all home with the kids. Well, we're not, but our dogs and cats, that's our kids. But we wanted to make 2 easy desserts for your kids that you can make, simple recipes. So today we're going to be making Trix Marshmallow Squares and French Toast Roll-Ups. Let's do it! Go! Okay, so these Trix Marshmallow Squares are really simple, really easy. We've all made marshmallow Rice Krispie Squares before. We're just changing it up with these really colorful, amazing Trix cereal. They're so colorful. I love it. 3 ingredients, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, let's do it. So we're gonna be working on getting a cooktop here so that we can do everything here, but we don't have it right now, okay? So just calm down. Everybody relax. So firstly, you're gonna take some cooking spray. You're gonna take a Pyrex dish, or whatever pan you have, whatever, and just grease it. Ooh, set aside for later. Here are the 3 ingredients that you're going to need. We have 400 grams of marshmallows, mallows.
Ooh, make sure they're the small ones too.
Yeah, definitely make sure they're the small ones. Why?
Because they're easier to melt down.
Ding ding ding!
And I've never made them before.
Yeah, he's never made Rice Krispies before. The hell?
My mom made better desserts than Rice Krispies. Just saying.
Yeah, well, on this low budget channel, this is what you get, okay? Rice Krispie Squares. Here we have a 1/4 cup of butter. And Lord Byron's recipe calls for 10 cups of Trix. We measured this out, it's only 9. Shh, don't tell him. It's fine. Yes, you have a question?
Butter. Is it salted or unsalted? Is that what we're using?
This is unsalted.
Okay, and that's what we're supposed to be using?
I believe we're supposed to be using unsalted, or else your squares are going to taste salty.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
The fans want to know.
Fans.
Jessica Mendoza.
Right? She's fantastic. Actually, speaking of fans, I wanted to shout out Mrs. Zamora. March is MS Awareness Month, and she's actually asked me to create a cake for MS Awareness. I'm not doing cakes at this moment, but I did want to shout you out, Miss Zamora, and say we are thinking of you. And it is MS Awareness Month. I do have a couple people in my life who is affected by MS. I dedicate these desserts to Miss Zamora. This is for you, babe. So to start, we're just going to be placing this pot onto the stove on low heat. We're going to be combining our butter and our marshmallows together and get them to combine and melt down. Always make sure to constantly stir this because you don't want it to burn. So now that our marshmallows and butter are all melted down and incorporated, next we're going to be putting our 9 cups or entire box of Trix into that mixture and giving it a nice stir. You're gonna need some muscle for that. It's That's why I got him. My trick though is before you start stirring, take your spoon, throw some Pam on it, even up on the handle there. That way it'll make mixing a lot easier and it won't stick to the spoon as much as it would if you didn't have Pam on it. Here you go. So we just dumped all of our mixture into this pan, and I'm just kind of spreading it out, making sure that it's all even. If you do find that your mixture is sticking to your spoon, again, just use a little bit of Pam cooking spray, or, oops, I said Pam, not sponsored. Just use some cooking spray on your spoon, and you should find it a lot easier to spread that shit out. This is it. This is it. Quick, easy, fun for the kids. When you cut into this, it is super, super colorful. The kids are gonna love it. A tip from Lord Byron's kitchen is usually when people make Rice Krispie Squares, boom, they put it right into the fridge to let it harden up so that you can eat it right away. Don't do that. If you want to keep this nice and smooth and gooey, then just set it aside for a good 2 hours so that it does have time to firm up, but it will still remain nice and gooey, but you still can cut into it. So that's a tip from Lord Byron's kitchen. On to our next treat for the kids. This next little dessert would be perfect for breakfast. These are going to be French toast rolls. So what we have here, you can do as many as you like. We have 7 pieces of bread.
It's a lot of sandwiches.
It is a lot of sandwiches. And we're just gonna cut off the crusts, making it nice and square. So James can continue on with that. And save these little scraps for the birdies, will ya? Throw it in your backyard, it's spring. They need something to eat. So while James is cutting off the crusts, I'm just gonna be taking my rolling pin and just rolling these out, making them a little bit flat. This really is a great little dessert that you can do with the kids. It's fun, it's easy. You can put any filling you want in here. I'll give you some suggestions in a minute. So next, I'm gonna be taking one of my little flattened slices of bread. Here I have some caramel. Again, you can put any type of filling in here, Nutella, caramel, strawberry sauce, cream cheese. You could do fresh berries in here as well. But I wanted to do caramel today. So I'm just taking a little tiny offset spatula. So I'm just spreading out my caramel all over my piece of bread.
Girl, she a mess.
And now James is going to tightly roll that.
I gotta do all that.
Perfect. Yes, look at that. We're just gonna set that aside and continue on with the rest of these. So next we're going to be making our egg mixture. Now we're going to be dunking these into the egg mixture and then putting them onto the frying pan, just like you would make a French toast. So I'm taking 2 eggs. You want a cracker up?
I feel like I'm going to be doing the dirty jobs.
That's why you're my assistant and I'm the star. Now I am just eyeballing this, but I do have a little bit of half and half cream. You can use milk. So I'm just putting a little bit in my mixture. And I'm just eyeballing some vanilla extract. Boop, that's it.
About a teaspoonish.
Yeah. James is gonna mix that up. So into our egg mixture, again, eyeballing, I'm just putting a little bit of cinnamon. Ooh. Mix that all up. Just gonna set that aside and we're gonna be working on our sugar mixture. For our sugar mixture, we're just gonna be using a ½ cup of sugar. And just a little bit of ground cinnamon. Again, I'm just eyeballing this. And we're gonna do a ½ cup of light brown sugar. Just taking a fork and mixing that all together. The way this is gonna work is we're gonna take one of our little rolls. We're gonna dip it into the egg mixture all over, make sure it's all over that roll. Then we're gonna place it into our pan and just wait for it to brown and then turn it every so often so that the other sides can brown. And then take it off the pan and put it into our sugar mixture. And we're done. Let's get started. So once your French toast rolls are nice and done, we're gonna be taking them out of the pan, putting it into our sugar mixture, and that's it. Easy peasy. Let's do it. Here are two easy and fun desserts for the kids. I did add some chocolate sauce onto these. You don't have to. I just wanted to because I love chocolate. They look so delicious. Super fun for the kids for breakfast. So here we have our French toast rolls, and here we have our Trix Marshmallow Squares. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic quarantine videos every single week. Everybody say thank you to James for being a good assistant. Yay! Thank you guys so much for your suggestions in the last video. We definitely want to make some of them. I would love to make an ice cream cake or a chocolate lava cake like some of you suggested. If you have any other suggestions, please leave a comment. We will definitely try to make all of your dreams come true. Let's eat some of this shit. See y'all next week. Mwah! She's hot! She just came out of the pan, bitch. Oh my god. She's hot. Holy fuck, that's good. No,
So
seriously, try one.
Remind the children to wait till it cools down.
Children, wait until these cool down, but oh my god, they're so good.